Yo, so today is going to be obviously our weekly checkup on how we're doing with phase one of trying to become financially free once again. Now, I understand that this is going to be a sort of a long process, but is it? This week we broke even. I only traded 2 days due to the fact that it was NFP. NFP is a week that I tend to take easy because it's a traumatizing week. Not only traumatizing, it's a very risky week. Now, if you are on the right side of that, of course, you will reap the benefits of NFP. But if you're not, you will demolish your account. I don't want that for myself. Therefore, we go into the first day of the week, Sunday/Monday. Monday was a very self-explanatory trade. It was a high time frame area of interest. I was looking for a sell at this area of interest. Price did sell off until it didn't. Once again, I did decide to switch up the way I trade just a bit, but we'll get to that in another video. I sold at a resistance once I got the confirmation to do so at a New York session. And then this is the trade. Like, it's a self-explanatory trade. It's just the only thing, I just had this feeling my trading Aikido was kicking in, and it made sense to, like, just get out, only because this ain't right. And I'm gonna show you the clip right here. It was a great trade because this was after this reaction, it was beautiful. And I kind of wish that, this is why I say that initial push is just disgusting. I would have went to sleep and obviously price would have retraced. I probably would have just been cool with the initial push, to be quite frank with you. But this looks fine. But if you look at the 4 hour, I hate this bullish engulfing. And then now it's just like on some, weird shit. So we got news at 10 o'clock. It kind of gave me I have a lot of trauma with news, so it kind of gave me the reason to close it, and the chart just froze. I don't have time for price to just be on some dumb shit, and personally, I just don't like how the news just manipulates price on NFP week. Like, if it's normal news, okay, cool, whatever, but NFP week for some reason is the absolute fucking worst. So this was the first trade of the week. It was risking, at first it was risking about 850, 900, and then the adjusted was 750. At first it was up here, like around here. Yeah, 17 pips at first, and then I adjusted it to 11 because I just didn't trust the 4 hour. The 4 hour is disgusting. Like, this was cool. This is fantastic. This is the best reaction you could have gotten. I just wish it was like a small bullish small bullish candle. Like, and then we have something like this or this to follow up behind it. But no, this had a beautiful reaction for potential continuation to the downside. And there didn't have to be a pullback based off this. It could have just been like a baby pullback to like somewhere like right here or something. But price just came all the way back. And I got the entry. I didn't like it. Based off the smaller time frames, it looked fine. But looking at the 4 hour, I did not like it. And I took it. I didn't like it at first. I was like, I'm not about to close this. If I lose, I lose. But if I win, I'm going to take whatever I can get in my eyes, because I'm like, there's news in about 40 minutes. So why would I actually like let news manipulate my trade? Because we have a lot of trauma. Like, look at this shit. It just went from like, what the fuck is going on right now? So again, that's all experience in my eyes. I decided to close in this situation. Again, I'm not trying to just close out positions all the time. It's just the simple fact that was not giving clear indication that price was going to do exactly what I wanted to do anymore, and I decided to close. Now we're going to transition into Tuesday. That was not the case. So Tuesday, it was not the same case as Monday. Monday, I only made about $700. Tuesday, I ended up losing $555. I did not do that on purpose. But plus commission, it was about maybe high fives, maybe like 590 or whatever. In this situation, it was the same exact setup. It was just the simple fact that it played out differently. This time, it was a really good engulfing candle going to the downside on a high time frame, and it just turned around. Now, part of me obviously knows that price likes to have deep retrace, and in this situation, price could have retapped the next area of interest trend line, or the pocket area, I like to call it. Maybe I'll cover that in a future video. If it goes above my stop loss, it's done. And in this situation, it went above my stop loss and it was done. So this is gonna be a very short video, only because I only traded Monday and Tuesday. I won like $700 Monday and lost $555 Tuesday. Currently, it is Monday of the next week. I am recording this Monday, July 8th, and we have a very good week ahead of us. At least I hope so, and I am anticipating it. So therefore, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.